As part of the fiscal 2016 budget proposed by the White House this week, President Obama proposed spending $534.3 billion on defense. That's $38 billion more than last year. I'm joined by Lou Whiteman, senior writer for The Deal. Lou, this has to be making military defense firms feel optimistic about their outlooks. Who stand to be the winners as a result of an increase in the government's defense budget?
I'd say there's two categories of winners. The immediate winners are going to be the government services firms, and they're the ones who have been the most hurt by sequestration. Those are firms like Mantech International, like Leidos Holdings, and the money can simply flow to them quicker because they're doing things like maintenance work that don't take a lot of lead time. Secondly, the focus of this budget is modernization. It's on big equipment. Companies like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, that are the plane makers, they're going to benefit over time from this.
All right, so how about for defense investors? What message does the Pentagon's budget send for them?
Well, the message is, for the first time in a lot of years, the message is growth. We've had sequestration. We've had political battles. There's been a lot of uncertainty in the sector. There's been a lot of funding delays, if not outright project cancellations. The Pentagon signal this year is we're finally past this. We have work to do. It's time to start spending, and that's good news for investors.
So what are the implications then for future deal making in the defense sector?
This is a sector that has always been very active for deal makers, but that took a break during sequestration talk as companies were trying to figure out their portfolio before taking risks. There's a lot of pent-up demand for deals, especially middle market and smaller deals. One large company that I think you should look at is Northrop Grumman. They need to buy growth. I think they could seek perhaps an ambitious deal, maybe a cross-border deal, but if not that, I think they're going to be very opportunistic, looking for companies that they can add to spur future growth.
All right, thank you so much, Lou Whiteman, senior writer for The Deal.
Thank you.
And I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.